Hey folks, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Today I have a little small project. I'm going to replace my LP gas detector. This alarm will sound off if I get a propane leak anywhere in any of my systems to warn us. I've read that these have a lifespan, and I believe this one is over its lifespan now. I think that they should be replaced every 7 years. Our rig's a 2011. So we're almost hitting 2019, so I'm going to pull that off the wall, check its date, and replace it. You can see it sits low on the floor. Got the oven here, anything goes wrong with that, or over here is the furnace. And a big reason I'm really worried about having a good working propane detector is we use our Big Buddy heater quite often down here in the desert. At night before we go to bed, when we're just hanging out in the rig or watching TV. Helps keep us warm, saves propane. So I was at a local RV parts place and picked up this. It's ProTECHTor. It's by Atwood. Doesn't look exactly like that one. I couldn't find. This is the same ProTECHTor by Atwood, I guess, but it's an older model. They don't seem to make this one anymore, so might have to modify things. They're not cheap, goes for about $60, but you gotta have them. So let's pull this one off the wall and see what's behind it. I think all I'm gonna have to do is hook up a couple 12-volt wires. Okay, that cover just unclips. And we got the guts of the stuff here. It looks like there's a couple square-headed screws in there to undo. I should turn off the 12-volt power, but I'm going to risk it. Okay, 2 screws gets that off. Looks like it's just mounted right on there. There's my red and black wires. So let's pull the other thing out of the package and see what we're dealing with. Okay, got things ripped apart. Yeah, this is the old one, and this is a new one. This is a little bit different. Looks like they give you a couple different mounting options here. Looks like there's a way to flush mount it. And I've read on here, it says end of life after 7 years plus or minus 128 days of continuous operation. A flashing LED light with alarm chirping every 30 seconds indicates the sensor is no longer reliable. So I guess mine hasn't made it to that point yet, but I looked on the back here and the date on it's April 2010, and we're just about 2019 in about a week or so, so that's getting there. And we're full-time RVers, so this has been on quite a bit. It's probably just about ready to go. I guess if you use your rig a lot less, you probably get a lot more life out of them, but I'm going to change this one. And that's the new one. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Same red and black wires, positive, negative, 12 volts. So I'll connect those up. I'll probably solder mine. You could use butt connectors or whatever you like. Let's see. Play around with this mounting, see what works best. So I connected up the 2 wires, and looks like it flashed red for the first few minutes. It says in the instructions when you first hook it up, the red light will flash for 3 minutes as it's setting itself up, and then if you get a green light, you're good operation. Okay, so mounting plate is on. Should be good. And there we go. Not too bad. I was able to cover one of the old holes. The other hole I just stuck the old screw back in so it doesn't look like a hole. It just looks like a screw in the wall. So, looks pretty good. Working. Maybe I'll give her a test, see if she works. Okay, so a little butane torch I was using to solder the wires, so maybe that'll set her off. There we go. Yep, so you can see she turned red. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. Anyway, that's a bright red thing, and the alarm is going off. And it looks like we can mute it like that. Let me blow out some of the butane, see how long it takes to reset. Well, looks like we're back in business. Took another 3 minutes for that to reset and go back to green again. Well, the alarm wasn't quite as loud as the old one. The old one was really loud. I think the old one had a lot louder speaker than this new one. Still, we'll be able to hear it. Anyway, till next time, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Cheers, everyone. Stay safe out there. Yeah, you can see on it, it says, where was it? Replace 84 months after retail sale.